Welcome to the golden hour, where our harvest season begins today.
Witness the perfect harmony between nature's bounty and advanced engineering.
Gentle vibrations ensure every ripe tomato is picked without damage.
A ceaseless river of crimson red begins its journey to you.
Thousands of pounds transfer seamlessly in this synchronized industrial dance.
Every single tomato is packed with vibrant flavor and summer sunshine. Advanced sensors instantly analyze the weight and quality of every load. Precision logistics ensure that no time is wasted at the dock. Heavy-duty hydraulics secure the vehicle for the massive unloading process ahead.
From the fertile fields to the facility, freshness is our priority. Gravity takes over as we prepare to unleash the red avalanche. Currents of water gently scrub away the dust of the fields.
A refreshing plunge begins the thorough cleaning and purification process today.
Our hydro transport system protects the delicate fruit from any bruising. High-pressure jets ensure a pristine, spotless finish for every single batch. Even at this speed, we maintain a focus on individual perfection.
State-of-the-art automation drives efficiency across our entire processing floor.
Optical sorters use advanced lasers to inspect for the slightest imperfections.
Real-time data analysis guarantees only the best fruit makes the cut. Precision air jets instantly remove any produce that isn't perfectly ripe.
Human expertise works alongside machines to ensure our high standards.
Robotic assistants handle the delicate tasks with unmatched speed and care. Gathered together, the tomatoes are now ready for their transformation. Massive augers transform whole fruit into rich, raw tomato pulp.
The vibrant essence of the tomato is released for further processing.
A labyrinth of steel transports the pulp to the heating stage. These towering tanks use rapid heating to lock in the nutrients.
Precise temperature control is critical to preserving the natural color.
Cooking releases the lycopene and intensifies the rich, savory flavor. Centrifugal force separates the smooth juice from the seeds and skins.
Nothing is wasted. Skins and seeds are collected for sustainable repurposing.
Velvet smooth puree flows into the tanks for the final concentration.
Our operators monitor every variable to ensure consistency in every batch.
Vacuum evaporation thickens the sauce without overcooking the delicate flavor.
The result is a rich, concentrated paste with perfect texture. The canning line moves at lightning speed to meet global demand.
Gravity aligners orient the cans for the filling process ahead.
Steam sterilization ensures every container is completely safe and sterile.
Precision nozzles fill every can to the exact milligram required.
We capture the freshness in every single drop of tomato sauce. The can is hermetically sealed to lock in freshness for years.
A cooling bath brings the product to a stable storage temperature.
High-speed labelers give each can its recognizable premium identity. Ready for your pantry, displaying the quality you have trusted.
Automated packers handle the heavy lifting with gentle precision.
Carefully boxed and ready to be shipped around the world. Sealed tight, these cases are prepared for the long journey.
Robotic palletizers build perfectly stable stacks for safe transport. Wrapped securely, the pallet is now ready for distribution.
Our glass line offers a premium option for discerning customers. Crystal clear glass showcases the vibrant color of our product. Our signature juice is bottled instantly to preserve its sweet taste. Every bottle contains the pure essence of sun-ripened tomatoes. Safety caps are applied to ensure the product remains tamper-proof.
Laser etching permanently marks the freshness date on every bottle.
Manual inspection adds a final layer of quality assurance.
Computer vision systems check every single unit for absolute consistency. The invisible label design lets the natural product shine through.
Multi-packs offer convenience for families who love our products. Whole peeled tomatoes are selected for our premium diced line.
Precision blades dice the tomatoes without crushing their delicate structure.
Perfectly uniform cubes are weighed for consistent recipe portions.
Packed in their own juice, these diced tomatoes retain their texture.
We blend savory herbs and spices for our special snack line. The seasoned puree is spread into a paper-thin, even layer. Slow baking in our tunnel ovens begins the dehydration process.
Moisture is gently removed, intensifying the tangy tomato flavor. The result is a crisp, flavorful sheet ready for shaping.
Fun shapes are cut to create a healthy, delightful snack.
Crispy, savory, and healthy. A perfect snack from nature.
High barrier foil packaging protects the crunch of every chip. Multi-head weighers ensure every bag gets the exact right amount.
Rapid sealing locks out moisture and locks in the crunch.
Vibrant packaging reflects the bold flavors waiting inside.
Science ensures our tomatoes meet the perfect sweetness standards.
Precise sugar measurements guarantee the consistent taste you love. Automated cleaning systems keep our facility spotless and sterile.
Microbiological testing ensures our products are safe for your family.
Even as the sun sets, our dedication to quality never sleeps.
Our logistics team works around the clock to move inventory. Millions of products are stored safely, ready for shipment.
Loaded with care, these pallets start their journey to stores.
Securely locked, the cargo is protected until it reaches you.
Heading out into the night to restock shelves everywhere.
Find our premium tomato products at your local grocery store.
Chosen by families who want the best natural ingredients. Open a can to unleash the aroma of summer fields. Rich and thick, our sauce is the perfect base for meals. Add fresh ingredients to create a masterpiece in minutes.
From our fields to your fork, enjoy the taste of nature.
Regular maintenance ensures our machinery runs at peak performance.
Every gear and chain is inspected to prevent any downtime. With a push of a button, the factory roars back to life. The symphony of production begins again for another day. Solar energy powers our production, reducing our carbon footprint. We treat and return water to nature cleaner than we found it.
Efficiency and speed define our modern manufacturing philosophy.
Every document is verified to meet international quality standards.
Continuous growth allows us to bring healthy food to more people. Rejected fruit is separated to become nutrient-rich organic compost.
Returning nutrients to the earth completes our sustainable cycle.
Microsensors detect even the smallest defects in packaging seams.
Even the glass is tested to withstand the rigors of transport.
Final sterilization guarantees a long, safe shelf life without preservatives.
Hygiene is our obsession, keeping the facility spotless every day.
Our logo stands as a symbol of trust and quality worldwide.
The fields rest under the moonlight.
A new day breaks, bringing new potential for growth. The facility awakens, ready to feed the world once more. The cycle of harvest and creation begins all over again.
A mesmerizing display of nature's abundance in motion. The perfect companion to your favorite meals every time.
Made with nature, delivered with pride. This is our promise.